everybody, good morning, afternoon, evening to you, wherever you are and whatever you are doing. So today will be the final day of the week where we do the countdown, crypto TA from number 50 up to number 1. Countdown or count up? I think I should be saying count up. The count up from 50 to number 1. So yeah, today we're going to do Terra Luna all the way up to Bitcoin BTC. So as you can see from the past 7 days, Ethereum is up 11. What else? Solana is up 14. But otherwise, for the past 24 hours, things haven't been moving much. There's not been much volatility in the markets. Just by looking at Bitcoin, you know that Bitcoin is like, past 1 hour, 0.1%, 24 hours, 1%, 0. What? Yeah, there's just no volatility in the markets at the moment. So that's why things have been pretty boring. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, we're going to start with our crypto TA at number 10, Luna. And let's get straight into it. Luna against BTC. Yes, sir. We've already invalidated the targets. We were anticipating a cup and handle kind of a chart pattern or something like a inverse head and shoulders to complete, right? Let me just go back in history. Right, if you go back in history, you'll be able to see that this was something like a inverse head and shoulders, right? And we were anticipating things to break higher. However, we did not break higher. We actually came lower. And so because of that, we have invalidated the targets. So this is a very good example of chart pattern failure. Not everything goes according to plan all the freaking time. So yeah, here's Luna BTC. Any clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern? Nope. You can argue that this is a head and shoulders, but it's actually not because it is not proportionally pleasant. The head is too big for my liking, and small shoulders. Yeah, normally head and shoulders should be proportionally pleasant, not small, big, small. Yeah, it's, to me, it doesn't qualify. I mean, you could consider it a head and shoulders, but it would be a low quality head and shoulders. I would prefer it if Luna could just form a proper descending triangle or something like that. That would signify more downside, but until that happens, yeah, we're not going to be doing anything. Anyway, Luna BTC is still largely in an uptrend, so more likely than not, more upside to be coming for Luna. Potentially, I can't say for sure. But if I had to count the waves for Luna BTC, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are done. We might see another one. It might be a higher high, but we are largely close to the end of Luna's impulsive move. In my opinion, I feel like we're close to the end. So yeah, be careful about going to trade too soon for Luna. Luna USDT. Here we are. Again, very big mountain. Are we going to get a mountain 2, mountain 3? Or are we just going to start dropping like flies from here? Not too sure. Again, we're still above we're largely above the skinny pink line. So if anything, we're still in a bullish trend. We are largely still in a bullish trend. So the possibility of us doing some sort of a drift back towards the upside is there. The possibility is high, but doesn't mean it's gonna happen, right? Because everything in the world of crypto is very bearish right now. Yeah, again, this is not what I would consider as a bearish reversal. And just because you don't see a bearish reversal doesn't mean we cannot drop. It's just that we are looking for tradable chart patterns, and we don't see it on Luna. There are just no clear tradable chart patterns for Luna at this point of time. So I'd preach caution about going to trade too soon. So yeah, be careful about going to trade too soon for Luna. There are just no clear tradable chart patterns.